Take a ride in the 2018 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, chrome mirror caps. Inside you'll find navigation system, power sliding rear window, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.